The reset button on your Emax water heater is a crucial safety feature. It automatically shuts off the unit when it overheats or experiences an electrical fault, protecting both you and your equipment. Before you begin looking for the reset button, safety must come first. Always turn off the power to your water heater at the circuit breaker. This prevents any risk of electrical shock while you work. Now let's locate the reset button. Here's what a typical Emax water heater looks like from the outside. The reset button is not visible from this angle because it's protected behind a removable panel. Here's what you'll see when you remove the bottom panel. The reset button is typically a small red button that you'll find either on the thermostat or within the junction box area. Here's another view showing the unit with the bottom panel removed. This gives you a clearer idea of what to expect when accessing the internal components where the reset button is located. Remember, Emax heaters require a minimum water flow to operate correctly. Typically, this is around 0.55 gallons per minute. Insufficient water flow can prevent the heater from working properly even after resetting. Now you know where to find the reset button and understand its important safety function. In the next section, we'll cover the actual reset process and troubleshooting steps. After pressing the reset button and reassembling the panel, the next step is to restore power to your water heater. Allow a few minutes for the water to heat up, then test a hot water faucet to check if hot water is available. If the reset button trips again shortly after resetting, this indicates an underlying issue such as a faulty component, scale buildup, or inadequate water flow. If the indicator light doesn't illuminate after resetting, check the power supply and ensure adequate water flow to the unit. For recurring issues, or if you're unsure about any step, contact Emax technical support or a qualified electrician for assistance. Regular maintenance is essential for preventing future trips. Check for leaks, flush the unit periodically, and inspect components for scale buildup or corrosion. Following these steps will help ensure your Emax water heater operates safely and efficiently. Remember, when in doubt, always consult a professional.